friends, this is a fun story about a turkey with colors. It's called Turkey Colors. And right here is that line that you could put your name on it. N-A-M-E. So practice writing your name on here. It says the turkey is red. So you're going to make a turkey red. You can draw his body any color you like. The next page is the turkey is orange. What part of the turkey are you going to make orange? The turkey is green. The turkey is black. The turkey is blue. The turkey is yellow. The turkey is pink. The turkey is purple. No, silly, the turkey is brown. So this turkey you're going to make brown. You can use markers, you can use your crayons, you can use anything you choose. Colored pencils if you have them at home. And have fun with it. Enjoy. Bye, friends.